Okay, here we go. Here's movie number 1 for the grandparents. Make some noises, Matthew. Little naked baby. Hey, buddy. What's the matter? Are you camera shy? You don't like the camera? Whoa. That's what's happening. You're filling your pants. Hey, buddy. Hey. Oh, what? You want to be sat up a little better? Here we go. Okay. Get that bum under there. No, you don't like this, do you? Oh, maybe you do. Hey, Matthew. Hey, Matthew. Hey, buddy. Hey. How's your fist taste? You're such a fat little baby now. Hey, buddy. Oh, you're not very... Did you hear that? He's filling his pants. Are you ever? Okay. Maybe we'll record you when we can get some smiles out of you, you slumpy baby.